If you want to use Claude models inside Cursor AI, one of the first things you need to do is add your Anthropic API key correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step so you can connect your account, unlock the right models, and start coding faster inside Cursor. And if this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once the app launches, you should see the main Cursor window. From here, we're going to head into the settings area because that's where Cursor keeps the model and API options. Now look down to the bottom left corner of the Cursor window. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. This is where most of Cursor's configuration options live, so if you ever need to change models, update preferences, or manage keys, this is the place to go. Once the settings panel opens, find the model section and click on it. Cursor organizes AI provider settings under models, so this step is important if you want to connect a specific provider like Anthropic. Inside models, you should see an option called API keys. Click on API keys to open the section where Cursor lets you add external provider keys. This is where you'll connect Anthropic so Cursor can use it for supported features and model access. Now scroll through the list of available providers until you find Anthropic API key. When you see it, make sure to enable it. If the toggle is off, Cursor won't recognize the key properly, so this step is essential before you paste anything in. After enabling Anthropic, click inside the Anthropic API key field. This is where you'll paste your key from your Anthropic account dashboard. Be careful here, because API keys need to be entered exactly as provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces before the key, no spaces after it, and no missing characters. Paste your Anthropic API key into the field, then give it a moment. In most cases, Cursor saves the API key automatically after you paste it, so you usually do not need to look for a save button or manually confirm anything. That said, it's always a good idea to make sure the key stays visible in the field and that the Anthropic section remains enabled. If everything is set correctly, Cursor should now be connected to your Anthropic API key and ready to use. From there, you can start working with Anthropic-powered models directly inside your Cursor workflow, which is great for coding, debugging, writing, and productivity. If you run into any issues, double-check that the key is valid, that the Anthropic section is enabled, and that you pasted the full key without any spaces. Those small mistakes are the most common reason the setup doesn't work right away, and that's it. You've now learned how to add your Anthropic API key in Cursor AI. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.